My name is Bobby. I've been with Superior Van and Mobility for approximately 12 years. Well, I became injured in 2003 on my way home from college. My car hydroplaned flipped 3 times, fractured my C3 and C4 vertebrae, which leaves me as a quadriplegic. So it's just really a big blessing for me to be able to have my own vehicle. And actually, this is my second vehicle with Superior Van and Mobility. Anytime I call on Superior for anything, they always there. They very helpful. I mean, it could be any time of the day. I know I've got in a couple of situations on the weekends, late at night. When I wasn't familiar with my van, I called them. They walked me through it or just told me what to do. The newest van I got, it was kind of funny because I went through one of them automatic car washes when I first got it. And you know how you got to put the van in neutral? And the only thing the van got is park, reverse, and drive. I'm like, where's neutral? So I'm literally in the middle of the car wash thing, and I'm calling Tim. I'm like, hey, where's neutral? Then they was like, well, hold the reverse thing twice, and it'll come to neutral. And I was like, oh my gosh. But they was, like I said, they always there. They have came and picked the van up and took it to the shop for me while I work. I mean, they have really went above and beyond. And I look forward to continue to do more business with them. Superior Van and Mobility is a lifesaver.